Hi, boys and girls. So today is day one of science tools. So I'd like you to take out a sheet of paper, or you can just open up a fresh Google Docs and number it 1 through 9. This is not for a grade. It's to see what science tools do you already know and what are they used for. So I'm not worried about spelling. And then we will be going more in depth on the names of the tools and what they're used for. So take a minute, you can go in your science composition notebook, 1 through 9. And let's start with number 1. If you could tell me, what is that science tool and what is it used for? You might say, that's a tool, and it sure is. And that's a science notebook. How'd you do? It is to record any observations during labs. Now, number 2, what is the name of that science tool? And why would a scientist use that? Number 2, go ahead, think about it. And those are safety goggles. It protects you from chemicals getting in your eyes or flames. Number 3, name that science tool and what is it used for? That is a microscope, and it's used to magnify objects, which means make them appear larger. Number 4, you might not know this one. What is that science tool? And what is it used for? It is a pan balance. We will go in more depth and we'll actually show you what one looks like in real life. And it measures mass, not weight. It measures mass. Number 5, hopefully we all know. What is this science tool? What is it used for? Don't worry about spelling. So all science tools measure something. Number 5 is a thermometer, and it measures temperature. Let's move to number 6. That is a science tool. What is that name, and what does it do? Hopefully you got it. It is a magnet, and it picks up certain objects specifically made out of iron. We will not use magnets this year. Number 7, kind of like number 3, it has the same purpose. What is that science tool? It is a magnifying lens, and it makes objects appear larger. Kind of like a hand lens, magnifying lens, pretty similar. We'll show you what some of them look like in real life. Number 8, this tool, we do have some in school to show you what it looks like. It could be made out of plastic, most are glass. What is this science tool? I'm pointing to an area. It begins with a B. Hopefully you know this from 4th grade. It is a beaker, and it measures the volume of a liquid, and it will be in milliliters. And lastly, number 9. We have some of these to show you. What is this science tool? It's 2 words. Hopefully you know this from 4th grade. The first word begins with the letter G. Second word begins with the letter C. It is a graduated cylinder. Just like number 8, the beaker, it measures the volume of a liquid, and it is measured in milliliters. We have some of those that we could play with and kind of practice.